Why is there interference? Siakubona. Is it from me? Not really from me. But there is some interference. Chicubella, I Chicubella. So fast doggy, I so fast doggy. This so fast doggy, where? But a banish mangani dash the million, Hoku, I gonna you dash the million. I, some gabalumgo. Can you post statuses now from here? Can I have these statuses? This is the test stream. I'm realizing that I can't do that without doing that. YouTube is not responding. Anyway, let's try this and see what's going on. But it's so fast, this is the website that we're working on. YouTubing. This one I get the basics working, like the sign in and what else? Oh, the page that it's supposed to work on. So that would entail this dashboard. Funky. Okay, let's start with what's actually essential. Whoa, how do I, okay, let's open this folder in VS Code. I know you can see any of what I'm doing, but then I'll set it up now by opening VS Code and then showing you the code. But it's so fast. I have to stop singing this. Why are you giving me open at the Visual Studio? Why not open with? Okay, fine. I'm open Visual Studio straight. A2 Tang. that shouldn't be public. Which page am I fixing? Oh no. Is it fine? Yeah, fine. Find a way to mount that permanently. Okay. So dashboard is our intention. And making you smaller, and I need to add another video capture, and this video capture must capture VS Code, and I'm going to select reduce you to be as big as him. How does she look? That's what. Why are the aspect ratios of you two not the same? Should basically be the same thing. But anyway, because I'm lazy to make this into a React app for now, dealing with like basic. It just doesn't. This web application doesn't need to be complicated. So that's the initial thing. So the effort to then make it into make it into thingy. I don't know if anyone can hear my voice reverberate. Make it into a whole. What is it called? Make it into a whole React app. I don't need to for now. I'm looking for this. I want to go you I am not in React. How do you hide again in it was what? This is closing. It's an exclamation something. I forgot. It's something, what you call, exclamation something. Star exclamation. Oh. And multiple lines. So that would be exclamation, right. I will close you. But apparently it's doing one line. Okay. So come here. You're updating the wrong things. I need a home and I need that. I need this and this and this and this to be fine. Okay. Is my stream still live? Oh baba ngisondela kuwe ngithandaza. Apparently I'm artifacting, so okay. With those out of the picture, use a menu random picture. Okay. This and this and this, and then I need the videos and then the footer, blah blah blah. Basically, and then this menu should be fine. Profile settings and everything. So do you want to start setting up the integration from the site to login? I think I should remove this and put the sign-in model. Okay, but fair. You are eating resources that I don't have. There's no need standing up for the right unless you're gonna stand up against the wrong. So, how do we need to structure this? I think I need to initially then create an example of what needs to be there so that I can have something to link to the site. Okay, let's go about doing that. Let's go Canva. Oh, you gotta live life if you are willing. The Bible is for feeling. You got to do right. Wait. 'Cause it won't be long. It won't be long. Well, let me tell you. Well, let me tell you that it's easy to hate your enemies. Tell you that it's easy to love a friend. How did we get here? You got to do right. A landscape video. What is the shortest lesson that you can teach? Let's go Newton's first law. Canva, stop taking your time. I'm on a limited budget of battery because I don't have a proper audio interface. So fast rate. Let's do an intro card. It's pulling with all its might. My Celeron inside. The stream is jammed, the stream is jammed, the stream is jammed, the stream is jammed. My stream is struggling. Canva element. Actually, we don't need you for now, so we can just take you down and move you big screen, and I think you should be fine this side. Don't you know the Bible? Hola. What is it again, Mahal? Yep. What are you listening to? Brag.
The verse of this song doesn't match. Everything is
The problem is that you are listening to it.
No, most of the time we can listen. You go verse of it's a cheat sheet.
Fair. But again, you wanna get me DMCA'd.
Yeah?
You wanna get me DMCA'd
Why?
because you're playing a song. This is always.
You're gonna get what?
DMCA'd. Copyrighted. Because technically I am fully live on YouTube.
Stupid.
You can say that again. Give me this and that should be fine. Now, can I get you to pulsate? Bye. Shake. That's one way. We digitize. And that's all we're doing. And we add another frame. On this frame, we can just then we can copy everything that's here. And then Control C, Control Z, Control Z, Control V. Everything without the animation. Animation off. How do you say none? Likala fote. Canva? I want to remove you then. Oh, staring you right in the face. As my brothers would say, if it was a snake, it would have beat you by now. The more you corner, we reduce your size. And then do this. We need an audio track. Okay. Let's introduce. Welcome to eToday, and today we'll be doing the first lesson based on Newton's first law of motion. Welcome to eToday, and today we'll be doing the first lesson based on Newton's first law of motion. And then we go title card. Heading. Wrong one. This one. Newton's first law. Do you want to make it pretty? What does Newton's first law say again? Newton's first law of motion. This should be a duplicate. this and then reduce to fit that, and then you are something new, but then you are still a duplicate of this but a bit longer, which means you will have that reading. There we go. Ba-da-dum-dum-ba-ba. Hold on like devotion. I forgot my own lyrics. Give you love like devotion. Found my devotion. Tell me na. It is love devotion. I forgot my own. What are my own lyrics? I give you love like devotion. I found my diamonds in the ocean. Forgot my own words. Why are you taking? Newton's first law states that any object that is at rest will remain at rest, and an object that is in motion will remain in motion with the same speed and direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This means that the object will maintain their state of motion unless a force causes them to accelerate, decelerate, or change. Welcome to Eat Today, and today we'll be doing the first lesson based on Newton's first law of motion. Newton's first law states that any object that is at rest will remain at rest, and an object that is in motion will remain in motion with the same speed and direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This means that the object will maintain their state of motion unless a force causes them to accelerate, decelerate, or change. udlala kanjani hlala ujayivane I should send her things. Give you. Why am I singing that? Let me sing. Santa, da 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 da. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, happy. Something like. Took one look, yo, I saw the seeming African beauty. She seemed to set you beautiful. Not on me, I am the worth it, I'm darkest to me now. I said, I think I found her, yeah, the one. A true descriptor of my type. Oh, she's true to form, her body bomb, intellectual. Oh, happy, no, my little. I'll be happy, no, my little. The truth is envy, Mangagulisa. Oh, I always thought I never found gold, and you are my happy little Mona Lisa. Hey, come back. This thing is not responding to my whims. Respond to my whims. Jimmy. I don't like hearing myself. So what's the spiel? What it then says that if an object is sitting, load dog. It doesn't wanna load. So the spiel basically would be then an object at rest will remain at rest. So if I put this on the table, it will not move. But then it doesn't make sense in that context. So basically what I'm saying is that ignore the tissue. Don't be the internet. It's genuinely a tissue for the sake of being a tissue. Um, the Newton's first law basically states that if you put an object and there's no force acting upon it, it will remain there and not move. Once a force starts acting upon it, then and only then shall it move. If you put a block and you leave it there, it will remain there. If you start pushing it, it will move. But then you'll be met with coefficients of drag and friction, blah blah blah. Okay, basically the concept is there. I want to then upload and see how then it forms to work. This is not how the lessons will be planned. This is not how the lessons will be done. Anything. This is just me creating a format, a demo, and apparently Canva doesn't want to work with me. But then okay, fine. Let's export this and then try to get it to work. Download. Sedilaka bo sedilaka boni sete tina. Can anyone like claim this song to copyright them? Because I think they're in the public domain at this point. Saparampa sedilaka. I am so bimbing. Saparampa sedilaka boni sete tila kita holy fifi happy husi bako tama. They should be in the public domain at this point. Welcome to Today, and today we'll be doing the first. Yay! Come on, firstly, let's put you on display. Hi, this is another me. Tate kima no. Yo kawena. But I wonder how then it works towards those songs, because they're not in the public domain, or they shouldn't be in the public domain. I wonder. Extra. I am too big. Hi guys, welcome to Kabbalah Reacts, and this is me reacting to my own video. Hi. So this is the demo video. Very short, very nice. The intention here is just so that we can go like, here's an idea, here's how we can run with it, here's Kushwata, Facebook, we will deal with that. So the idea would be this. Oh, beautiful concept. Welcome to Today, and today we'll be doing the first lesson based on Newton's first law. Yes, handsome. Newton's first law states that any object that is at rest will remain at rest
An object that is in motion will remain in motion with the same speed and direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This means that the object will maintain their state of motion unless a force causes them to accelerate, decelerate, or change.
And then I was not able to add the audio to say that. And then here's an object, and it is sitting on a table, and it's sitting still because there's no force acting upon it. If now we remove the table, it will fall because gravity. Gravity is a force. It's a downward force. My teacher used to say that when you sit in that pit toilet, if you're African, you have to understand what's a pit toilet. When you sit in that pit toilet, and then it goes, and you hear that water going, that is because of gravity. The only reason you don't have doo-doo on your is because of the force of gravity, and it's a beautiful force. It acts only perpendicularly, horizontal, vertical, perpendicular to the surface. Yes, perpendicular to the earth, basically. Am I correct in using that word? But free. So yeah, that was my teacher saying that gravity is a force that will always act downwards regardless of where you are. Yes, gravity will, regardless of, as long as you are on a bigger on something that exerts gravity on you, whatever that is in free fall will always head towards whatever is exerting the biggest gravitational force. So in a pit toilet, gravity. And then inertia is the state in which something is in before observation. If if it's initially moving, it can remain moving, excluding the idea of gravity and stuff. No, did I say gravity? Friction. In the absence of friction and air resistance and blah 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 blah, in a vacuum, these conditions work. That an object at rest will remain at rest, and an object in motion will remain in motion unless acted upon in a vacuum. Anyway, Kuningi. I think I have a solid idea. I now have to go and implement it. I've made enough progress for the idea to push it. Then yeah. Plus again, I'm running out of battery, and this was a test stream, and then I think it was successful to a degree. But thank you for watching. Thank you to anyone who watched the VOD and the chapter bits. Waiti, Tapana. I am K. I'm the log access on all social media. So I should put my social media links everywhere here. I am the log access. I'm a boutique builder. I'm a boutique developer for any of your small to medium business ideas, business needs, and where you may need software help. I am here. We are Log Access. I am Log Access. We are Open Access, Edit Access, and a whole lot of accesses. Thank you. Good night. Siyabonga. I'm gonna start streaming properly because I see that it kind of works. It genuinely kind of works, and I think I'm gonna enjoy this, especially if I start gaining people to genuinely watch the stuff. Then yes. Yeah, and that thing I'm gonna make it a React. I was creating, that was a template that I'm gonna then convert to. I don't know why I do things this way, but then you find assets and then you use them and then because the React things are expensive and you need to buy them, and I'm still broke. So yeah. Hi and good night. Bye.